Am I the only one who likes my brown liquor with a twist? Can't be. I want to share with you guys my Bailey's recipe. I've made this before, my friends loved it, and it's so easy to make. Let me show you how. Let's go. All you need is a blender and a few likely ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. 1 2/3 cup of whiskey, any brand of your choice, no problemo, you can go for the cheapest price, whatever you want. I forgot to mention that you have to start, this is very important, you have to start with a clean blender, and it should not have a smell. Like you probably did a salsa or a smoothie, make sure it's clean and it smells normal. Next ingredient is cream. You can go for regular, thick, or heavy, depending on your preference. For me, I went for all-purpose cream, and the consistency is just what I'm looking for. Oh my god! See that? Oh my god, it looks so good. The consistency, it's similar to Bailey's. I'm sure you would love it. I can't wait for you to do this at home and share it with your friends, your families, and your loved ones. You can make this chocolate tea, you can just add more chocolate syrup, or if you want it a bit more sweet, add sweetened condensed milk, or if you want it a bit stronger, then add more whiskey, whatever you want it. Go for it. Find a nice bottle just like this, and you can remove the logo or the sticker and replace it with like happy birthday. Make your own. There's a paper sticker that you can buy from the stationery store and then customize it. You can also put like thanks for coming, or happy baby shower, or happy holidays, or Valentine's Day. Why not, right? Are you guys ready for the big reveal? It's cheaper than buying it from the store. The taste is so amazing. If you can smell this, guys. And again, it's so easy to make. You can make this like anywhere. And this can be a personal gift for your friends, like friend's birthday, bachelorette party, Christmas, and many others. If you try this at home, I'd love to know what you think. Please leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time on my next DIY. Thank you.